Hi all, I am Ansumathi. Today I am here to discuss about the tuples and dictionaries that present in Python. So firstly we have to discuss about the tuples. Tuples are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Tuples is one of the four inbuilt data types in Python used to store collections of data. The other are list, set and dictionary, all with different qualities and usage. Also tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. Tuples are written with round brackets. Tuple items are ordered, unchangeable and allow duplicate values. Tuple items are indexed. The first item has index 0, the second item has index 1. So firstly we are discussing ordered. When we say that tuples are ordered, it means that items have a defined order and that order will not change. And the next one is unchangeable. Tuples are unchangeable, meaning that we cannot change, add or remove items after the tuple has been created. Allow duplicates. Since tuples are indexed, then they have items with the same value. For example, this tuple, here we can see that in this tuple apple, banana, cherry, one more apple, cherry. Print this tuple and the output of the tuple we get is apple, banana, cherry, apple, cherry. And the next one is the tuple length. It is to determine how many items a tuple has. For this we use the function length. For example, in this tuple apple, banana, cherry, print length of this tuple. Output of the program is 3. Next one is tuple items, data types. Tuple items can have any of the data types. For example, tuple 1 is equal to apple, banana, cherry. Tuple 2 is equal to 1, 5, 9, 3. Tuple 3 is equal to true, false, false. And the output of the program is first apple, banana, cherry. In second 1, 5, 9, 3. Next true, false, false. Types in tuple means, from Python's perspective, tuples are defined as the objects with the data type tuple. For example, my tuple is equal to apple, banana, cherry. Print type of my tuple. Output is class tuple. Access tuple items. You can access tuple items by referring to the index number inside square brackets. For example, this tuple apple, banana, cherry. Print of this tuple of 1. That means that index number with 1 have been the output of this data, and here it is banana. Change tuple values. Once a tuple value is created, you can't change its values. Tuples are unchangeable or immutable as it is called. For example, x is equal to apple, banana, cherry. Y is equal to list of x. Y of index 1 is equal to kiwi. X is equal to tuple of y. Print x. In the output we can see that the banana is replaced as kiwi, so the output becomes apple, kiwi, cherry. Add items. Since tuples are immutable, they do not have a built-in append method, but there are other ways to add items to a tuple. For example, this tuple is equal to apple, banana, cherry. Y is equal to list of this tuple. Y dot append of orange. This tuple is equal to tuple of y. Here we can see that append is used. Append means that a item is added to a existing list. So the output becomes apple, banana, cherry, orange. Next is remove item. Tuples are unchangeable, so you can't remove items from it. But you can use the same workaround as we use for changing and adding the tuple items. For example, this tuple is equal to apple, banana, cherry. Y is equal to list of this tuple. Y dot remove of apple. This tuple is equal to tuple of y. Here the item with the index 0 is removed, so output becomes banana, cherry. Tuple methods. Python has two built-in methods that you can use on tuples. Methods. Count returns the number of times a specified value occurs in a tuple. Index searches the tuple for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found. Next we have to discuss about the dictionaries. Dictionaries are used to store data values in a key value pairs. A dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. Dictionaries are written with curly brackets and have keys and values. Dictionary items. Dictionary items are ordered, unchangeable, and does not allow duplicates. For example, this dict is equal to brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1964. Print of this dict of brand, and the output becomes here the brand is equal to Ford, so the output of the program becomes Ford. Ordered and unordered. Dictionaries are ordered. It means that items have to a defined order and that order will not change. Unordered means that the items do not have a defined order. You can't refer to an item by using an index. Changeable. Dictionaries are changeable, meaning that we can change, add or remove items after the dictionary has been created. Duplicates do not allow. Dictionaries cannot have items with the same key. For example, this dict is equal to brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1964, year 1920. Print of this is. The output becomes brand is Ford, model Mustang, year 2020. Dictionary length. To determine how many times a dictionary has used the length function. For example, this is equal to brand Mustang, brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1964, year 2020. Print length of this disk. The output becomes 3. Dictionary items data types. The values in dictionary items can be any data type. For example, this disk is equal to brand Ford, electric false, year 1964, colors red, white, blue. Print of this disk. The output becomes brand Ford, electric false, 1964, and the colors red, white, blue. Type in dictionary. From Python perspective, dictionaries are defined as object within the data type list. For example, this is equal to brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1964. Print the type of this disk and the output becomes class disk. Accessing item. You can access the items of a dictionary by retrieving to its key name inside square brackets. For example, this disk brand is equal to brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1964. X is equal to this disk of model, print X. Here the output print as the model of the this disk, and here it is Mustang. Get keys. The key method will return a list of all keys in the dictionary. For example, this disk is equal to brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1994. X is equal to this list of keys, print of X. Output disk keys, brand, model, year. Get values. The values method will return a list of the values in the dictionary. For example, this is equal to brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1964. X is equal to this list of values. Print X, and the output becomes text values Ford, Mustang, 1964. Get items. The items method will return each item in a dictionary as tuples in a list. For example, this dict brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1964. X is equal to this dot items, print of X, and the output of becomes dict items in bracket brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1964. Change values. You can change the value of a specific item by referring to its key name. For example, this disk is equal to brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1964. This disk of year is equal to 2018. Print this disk. Output becomes brand Ford, Mustang, model Mustang, year 2018. Here the year value has been changed to 2018. Update dictionary. The update method will update the dictionary with the items from the given argument. For example, this disk is equal to brand Ford model Mustang year 1964. This disk dot update of year semicolon 2020. Print this disk. The output becomes brand Ford model Mustang year 2020. Adding items. Adding on an item to the dictionary is done by using a new index key and arguing a value to it. Example, this is equal to brand Ford model Mustang year 1964. This list of color is equal to red. Print this output. Brand is semicolon Ford, comma model semicolon Mustang year semicolon 1964, color semicolon red. Removing items from the dictionary. For example, this is equal to brand Ford model Mustang year 1964. This is dot pop of model. Print this. Here the model becomes erased, so the output becomes brand Ford year 1964. Copy a dictionary. There are two ways to copy. One way is to use that built-in dictionary method copy. For example, this is equal to brand Ford model Mustang year 1964. My dict is equal to this dot copy. Print of my dict. Output becomes brand Ford model Mustang year 1964. Dictionary methods. Pythons have a set of built-in methods that you can use on dictionaries. Method. First one is clear. Removes all the elements from the dictionary. Copy. Return a copy of the dictionary. From key. Return a dictionary with the specified keys and values. Get. Returns the value of the specified key. Items. Return a list controlling a tuple for each value pair. Keys returns a list containing the dictionary keys. Hop removes the elements from the specified key. Pop item removes the last inserted key value pair. Set default returns the value of the specified key. If the key does not exist, insert the key with the specified value. Update. Update the dictionary with the specified key value pair. Values. Returns a list of values in the dictionary. So I think you all guys understand the topic I have taken. Thank you.